Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start right now by cleansing and drying your skin thoroughly. This ensures the GA6 cream penetrates rather than dilutes. Once dry, dispense a pea-sized amount and place small dots on forehead, cheeks, chin. You spread the cream thinly and evenly using fingertips, working outward from the center. Make sure to avoid eyelids and lips because the formulation can irritate mucous membranes. Because the cream is 6% active, a thin layer gives effective results without excess irritation. Once the cream is applied, you must allow absorption. Wait 5 to 10 minutes so the active ingredient binds rather than mixes with other products. If you plan to layer serums, apply them after that wait. Make sure to follow with a non-comedogenic moisturizer to lock in hydration and buffer potential dryness. Begin using the product every other night for 1 to 2 weeks to assess tolerance, and only increase to nightly use if your skin shows minimal redness or flaking. You finish your cycle by prioritizing sun protection. Apply broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher each morning because glycolic acids increase photosensitivity. If you experience mild peeling or redness, reduce frequency to 2 or 3 nights per week and use extra moisturizer. This helps build tolerance. If you develop severe burning, swelling, or persistent broken skin, stop immediately and consult a dermatologist. A useful troubleshooting tip: perform a patch test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.